Pack an order for Miss Isa. Hi guys! Welcome to jiuvmyerstudiovlog. For today's video, I'm going to pack an order for Miss Isa because she wants to resell my handmade earrings. She ordered assorted earrings worth 1,000 pesos. And here's the worth 1,000 handmade earrings. So let's start packing this product. Place the earrings on the box. I gave her 3 pieces of mini ribbon dangle earrings. 3 pieces assorted crochet dangle earrings. And 1 drop petal dangle earring. 2 pieces of macrame dangle earring. 2 pieces fox leather dangle earring and 3 pieces of mini resin dangle earring. Next is 14 pieces assorted plus 1 piece free of resin stud earrings. And 2 pieces square macrame stud earrings. For a total of 31 pieces handmade earrings. If you want to order or want to be my reseller too, just visit my Facebook page and also don't forget to follow. And if you're not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, now this is the time for you to click the subscribe and click the bell button to get notified for my upcoming video. Hit thumbs up, leave comments and share my channel to your friends. Shout out to you, Miss Isa. Thank you for your purchase. And also thank you to all my subscriber and my team who continue supporting my channel. Now we're all set and ready for the pickup. So that's all for today guys. See you next video. Goodbye. For more video, just click this and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.